Welcome! Today, we're going to talk about how to show grid lines in Excel. Let's begin. We're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way, thanks to our digestible video tutorials. If, for some reason, there appear no grid lines in an Excel spreadsheet and you need them to show, go to the View tab and select the option, Grid Lines, under the section Show. The grid lines will immediately become visible throughout the spreadsheet and help you navigate through the cells. To remove the grid lines, go to the View tab again and unselect the option Grid Lines in the section Show. The grid lines will disappear right away, and the spreadsheet will be clean again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like